Are you looking for a starter home that has a little bit of everything? All those modern features, but still has the charm and character of an older house? Today I'm here for an open house at 856 Marion, and I'm happy to say that this house has everything. When you first walk in your front door, you get this straight shot view of this bright shining tile all the way through to your patio door. Have a look at this gorgeous staircase with refinished hardwood floors and the old world character. Check out the size of this kitchen. It's absolutely huge. You've got quartz countertops that just sparkle in the sun. Main floor laundry, which is super convenient. So much cupboard space. So much room to prepare dinners. It's perfect for entertaining. Updated main floor bathroom with the tile floors continuing through here. You've got a big soaker tub and nice black finishes. We've got a formal dining room with refinished hardwood floors that is absolutely perfect for hosting dinner parties. And look at all of these windows. This bright living room on the main floor makes such a great space for watching the game. Okay, let's talk about these bedrooms. They are absolutely huge. This house has 3 bedrooms, all generously sized, but 2 of them so spacious. This one here, 18.5 feet long by 9.5 feet wide. That's 175 square feet. This room would give some apartments a run for their money. Okay, this is the second of your oversized bedrooms. 2 bright windows. You've got plenty of room for your bed. You've even got room for a home office here. This is your 3rd bedroom. It is the smaller of the 3, but it's still very generously sized. Okay, this bathroom on your 2nd floor here is absolutely stunning. You've got the tile floors here, the double sink, and this shower, oh my gosh. Check out this trap door to get to your attic. So much extra storage space up there and so convenient with the ladder. Okay, look at the size of this backyard. It's absolutely huge. You've got off-street parking there as well. Beautifully landscaped. And a nicely refinished back deck. Okay, and if the attic wasn't enough storage space for you, you've got all of this space down here in your basement for storage as well. This house comes with 2 sump pumps and is fully waterproofed around the perimeter. Okay, look at how adorable this house is. It's got great curb appeal. We've got some new siding there. We've got this adorable front porch. Awesome space to hang out and have your morning coffee. So Windsor, if you're looking for a spectacular starter home in the Walkerville area, come see me today, Saturday, May 3rd from 1 till 3 p.m. or tomorrow, Sunday, May 4th from 1 till 3 p.m. and have a look at this beautiful property.